Carnelian Chelcedony. The carnelian is the most famous and usually least expensive chalcedony variety. This semi-precious quartz stone is one of the popular orange stones. However, it can range in color from pale orange to rich, near reddish orange to a deep reddish brown. It can also be anything from totally translucent to semi-opaque. Iron oxide is the source of this semi-precious orange gemstone's color. This means it can quite easily be heat treated even by just laying it out in the sun. Exposing the stone to heat will darken its red tones as the iron oxidizes. The carnelian goes back to ancient Egypt, where it took on many roles, from being a stone of fertility to stimulating passion and even provide courage to the ancient warriors and fighters. Outside of ancient Egypt, carnelian is used by wizards. They would utilize the energy of this powerful stone to trigger other stones. Many also considered this stone to be a status symbol, and wearing it would protect one from sickness and help avert any calamities. Carnelian captivates in much the same way that the flash of a fiery sunset on the first blaze of autumnal brilliance does. It symbolizes bold energy, warmth, and a joy that lingers as much as it empowers and stimulates. Carnelian meaning is known for being a stone of courage, endurance, energy, leadership, and motivation. This sunset stone has inspired and protected us throughout history thanks to their bright, rich coloring.